So if you have any questions regarding the HyperOS 3 on the Xiaomi 14T Pro, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below, because this video is going to be kind of like an AME style video. I already posted a video about how you could get the HyperOS 3 on the Xiaomi 14T Pro. I didn't know the method could work, but it actually worked. I'm actually in my bedroom right now. It's night time. I find it very difficult to upload videos like this these days. I've been very busy, but you could ask me any questions that you'd like to ask, and I'm going to try as much as possible to respond to you guys. Okay.